Hi friends, it's Mia. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're going to draw and color a happy pumpkin. It's big, orange, and smiling right at us. Do you love pumpkins? Maybe for Halloween or pumpkin pie? Yum! Let's grab our markers or crayons and get ready to draw, color, and giggle. Let's start with a big round shape. Pumpkins are like bumpy circles. We can add curvy lines that make it look squishy and real. What color will your pumpkin be? Orange? Or maybe purple for a silly pumpkin party? Let your imagination go wild. We can give our pumpkin a friendly face. 2 big round eyes. Add tiny sparkles inside them to make them shine. A happy pumpkin makes everyone smile back. Can you make a pumpkin face in real life? Show me your best pumpkin smile.
Yes!
While we draw and color, let's learn some fantastic pumpkin facts. Did you know pumpkins are actually a fruit? Yep, they grow from flowers. Some pumpkins can grow bigger than a car, over 1,000 pounds. Whoa! Pumpkin seeds are yummy and crunchy when baked. And get this, in some countries, people even have pumpkin boat races. They sit inside a giant hollowed-out pumpkin and paddle across water. Would you ride in a pumpkin boat?
Yes!
Let's imagine. Would your pumpkin live in a garden? Or maybe on a farm with animal friends? Can you make up a name for your pumpkin? Mine is named Mr. Giggle Pumpkin. What's yours?
Let's draw and learn. Let's draw and learn. Let's draw and learn. Da 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 da
Wow, look at your pumpkin. It's adorable, colorful, and full of personality. You did such an amazing job drawing and coloring today. Let's remember what we learned. Pumpkins grow from flowers. They come in all shapes and sizes. You can eat the seeds or even ride inside one, if it's huge. Your artwork is unique, and that makes it perfect. Keep going. Don't forget to show someone your pumpkin and tell them all about it. Great job! If you had fun, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new Draw and Learn adventure. Thanks for drawing and learning with us today. See you next time, friends. Bye!